Welcome back to the Kneady Homesteader channel, and we got a special delivery today through the mail, and I promised you guys that I would do an unboxing video when these came. These are my Tattler lids, and I will say they were a little backed up. It took them 3 weeks to fill it, and then only a couple days for it to be delivered, which isn't bad. So they are rocking and rolling over there. All right, so I am going to open this up, except I'm going to probably, don't want to reveal my address. Sometimes there's just no good creative way to do that on YouTube. All right, so this is what it looks like, and let's see, it's been noted about the instructions. We have cardstock instructions on order, and we'll send you a copy when they come in. D, so they must have seen my video. That's pretty funny. Well, thank you, D, because I think cardboard instructions would be amazing, and I'm really excited that Tattler is going to do that. So that is awesome. And you guys, when D sends me that cardboard stock instructions, I will show you guys what it looks like. So here is my order. All right, now I do have some things in here for my friend Paul as well. And so, oh, here's our little keychains here. They're actually openers, so hold on. So here is the paper instruction, which I'm so happy that they are going to change to cardstock. I think that's amazing. And here are the openers. Now, I was asked often, so I'm going to put you guys down here now that you guys got a good look at the box, and I'll start bringing things out here and show you. But these are the openers, okay? So they say Tattler on them, and they are a bottle opener, and this is how you open up a Tattler. I already have one of these, but I went ahead and I ordered an extra one, and then my friend Paul went ahead and he ordered 2 as well. So it doesn't hurt to have a backup as far as I'm concerned. So now I will have a backup, and he will also have a backup. So 2 of those are gonna go to him. These are pretty genius. Now they look like paper towel holders, okay? And you know what? They might be, who knows? But they are pretty cool because they hold the rings, the gaskets, perfectly. So here are my gaskets. I went ahead and I ordered 100 in the regular mouth and 100 in the wide mouth, and they go right on the little holder, and it's a perfect place to hold your gaskets so that they're not in bags, they're not in baskets, they're not being, you know, they're not laying around, they're not a mess. It's a great way to organize it, and I'm all about organization. So I went ahead and I ordered myself an extra set because I knew that I was ordering 100 lids in both the wide and the regular, along with extra gaskets, 100 extra gaskets. So I have 400 gaskets that came today. So, and then my friend Paul ordered himself a set because he thought they were pretty cool too. And they're only $1, you guys. So for $1, I think well worth it. Okay, so here are my 100 wide gaskets. So these are what came with my lids, and then I went ahead and ordered an extra 100 wide, so that's 200 total in the wide gaskets. And then here is 100 in the regular size. And oh, you know what, Paul might have ordered 2. He might have ordered 2 too, because he just ordered extra lids and gaskets too, so he has 2 as well. So we both have 2 sets of these holders. So those are for him too. So I'm going to put his stuff aside so I don't forget. And then let's see. So here are the 100 wide mouth lids, and here are the 100 regular mouth lids, along with the 100 gaskets. So I'm gonna just kind of sit this out here so you can see what I got. 1, 2, and then this, and then 2 of the rolls, and I'll set Paul's aside, so let me spin you around here. Okay, so there is 100 regular lids with 100 gaskets that come with it, then my 100 extra backup gaskets to go with it, and then 100 wide mouth lids with the 100 gaskets that come with it, so this comes together, and then an extra 100 gaskets that I bought on the side, along with my little Tattler, along with my set of holders, because I wanted an extra set. Let me go and grab the ones that I'm currently using just so that you get an idea of what that looks like. So that's what it looks like when you start adding your gaskets to it. Like I said, they fit perfectly, and for $1 for organization, I'm all about that. So super easy, and now I don't have to worry about my gaskets, you know, being all over the place and finding, you know, putting them in bags and all that kind of stuff. They can stay nice and straight. They don't get dented or all messed up. It's very easy just to pull however many off of here that I need and go ahead and can. So let's open up a bag and show you the lids. So now what I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to make a sink full of hot soapy water, and I will wash all of these up so that they're ready to go next time I can. There's the regular, and this is the wide mouth. So there's the wide, and there's the regular. You guys can see that. And then the gasket. So these are reusable canning lids. And so with the shortage of metal button top lids out there that's so difficult to find right now, these are a great alternative to that. And that's how it looks when you put the gaskets on. And I will show you something canned in one of my Tattlers. Okay, just to show you, this is what a regular button top lid looks like. So this is just a regular, but it's a one-time use. Okay, so you have to use it one time and then you basically toss them out. Now if you water bath can, you can reuse these for maybe dehydrated food, something you vacuum seal, but as far as canning goes, I never reuse a lid. So those, you know, you usually can buy them at, you know, your local, you know, Ace Hardware or Walmart, Meijer, stores like that. Now the Tattlers, a little bit more difficult to find, but you can find them in some stores. My Amish bulk food store sells them, but I went ahead and I ordered them directly online. I will leave the link to Tattler down below so you guys can go and check them out. So this is what a regular mouth Tattler lid looks like. And I've got some caramel apple jam in this one. This is smoked cherry apple barbecue sauce. So that's what that looks like. And so for those of you who don't know what a Tattler is, this is a reusable lid. So this, unlike this one where you have to, you know, throw it out, it's a one-time use. This one you can use up to 10 times. There are some people that have used their gaskets longer than that. As far as the plastic, from what I know, it is indefinitely that you can just keep reusing them and reusing them. And the only thing that you would have to change out eventually are the gaskets when they start cracking or when they get super stretched out. But those are good for up to 10 times. So if on average you're using and canning, you know, many people can once a year, I can all year round, but it's on average 10 years. So, but that's why I went ahead and bought extra gaskets so that I can just keep canning even when these start getting worn out on me. So that is a great option because unlike this one, you don't throw this one away. You can actually wash this up and reuse it. So it is less waste. And then this is a wide mouth, and this is some apple pie filling that I did. So that's what the Tattlers look like on. And you can see the gasket on there like that. And so just another option. They are FDA approved plastic. So this is safe to use for food, okay? And you can, like I said, go on their website and research more into that if you want to. Now this is a weck jar, and this again is a reusable lid and reusable gasket, but it's glass. And so you can see the gasket's a little bit different. It does have a tab that you actually pull to loosen, unlike, and actually I need a new an apple pie jam in my fridge. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to open a Tattler. So let me see if I can get this camera situated right so you can see this. So all you take is your opener like this, okay, and it's gonna kind of grab the gasket a little bit, and there you go. It pops right off, that easy. Now what I'll do with this is I'll put a plastic lid on this, and as far as this goes, this can get washed up with hot soapy water, and this will come right off, and I can reuse this again. So there's no waste, and I really love that about Tattlers. So there is a little bit of a learning curve, but nothing, you know, a canner can't learn, and not difficult at all. In fact, I've had great success with my Tattlers. I've only had one fail so far, and that was with a jar that broke on me. It actually had a hairline fracture all the way across, and it lost all the liquid out of that crack, and so, you know, there was no pressure. The lid could not seal. That is the only time I've had a fail on a Tattler. So I've been extremely happy with them. Now I've had Tattlers since 2016, I think it's been. And I didn't have that many, so I didn't use them that often. But now I am investing, as you can see, a great amount of Tattlers so that I can kind of wean myself off of the throwaway lids, and then that way I'm not worried. I don't have to worry or stress, you know, about, you know, stores not having them and not being able to find them. I mean, I just saw today, you know, somebody is selling 2 boxes of these lids for $30 on my Facebook marketplace. That's $15 a box. At some point, it makes canning not worth it to save any money to do. And so I'm really trying to be, you know, conscientious of how I go about canning, still preserving food, still feeding my family really, you know, a much healthier option where I control the ingredients, but still doing it at an affordable way. And for me, the Tattlers are a great investment. Like I said, I've had no issues with them. And so you can look forward to a lot more Tattler canning videos. Now, this is not a sponsored video, let me just say that. I'm really happy with the product, and really happy with the way that they're performing. So, and as you can see, very easy to take off. You don't have to struggle. If you put an order in, just, you know, order one of their little openers, and I keep it hanging on a hook in my kitchen, and super easy. So, all right. So that is it. There's my unboxing. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get in here and wash these all up. I've got some canning projects going, coming soon. I've got more apple pie filling. I'm going to be canning pumpkin, and I cannot wait to play more with the Tattlers. So I hope this video was helpful to you in some way. And with that, I will say I'll see you guys soon. All right, bye guys.